This is so exciting. I've been thinking about starting YouTube for a minute now, and I finally am doing it. So here's the tea. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you straight. I don't have it all together. I'm still figuring it out. I have aspirations, I'm working on a few things, you know, and girls trying to upgrade her life. The fun thing about this is we can figure it out together. I wanna share it with you. I wanna take you on this journey. Whether it is getting my hair to a level that it's never been, getting my skin to glow from within, or just taking a trip to the grocery store. I wanna share it all with you. You might see some cooking, you never know. So as I live the best life that I can possibly live authentically, I invite you to learn, love, laugh, and roll your eyes with me as we go on this journey, as we do the thing and learn some things. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you would love to see from me, and hit that subscribe button. I will be posting every week. But since you're already here, go ahead and click the Olaplex video as well. You're already here. Ooh, it is hot under these legs. Mercy. That's enough of that.